Now, how do we get to integrate this? Oriocha, thank you so much, Kai. Filipina, thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much, Kai. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Kai. All right, let's continue. Oriotia. Now let's go. So we have this question. Our integral has 2, and down here we have -3. These are our limits, right? Then in the bracket we have 4 minus 3x squared dx. So how do we get to solve such a question? Because the question is asking us to evaluate, which means to solve or to find. So what we are going to do, we simply introduce y is equal to, then we draw a straight line so that we can now put our limits. On top we have a 2, down here we have a -3. Then every time you are integrating, my good friends, you need to know the difference between differentiating and integrating. All right, so every time we get to integrate, all right, what happens is that if you have a constant, the way that 4 is, all right, we get to believe that this 4, before it became just a single 4, it was 4x to the power 0. Okay, that's just one of the principles of integration, to say at this point it was 4x to the power 0. Then we say minus, all right, minus 3x squared. We haven't yet started integrating. We're just interpreting what you have been given. So every time you have a constant, my good friends, every time you have a constant, think of it that it has x to the power 0. Then now we can integrate. So y is equal to our limits to -3. So the first one, what you're going to do when you're integrating, you add +1 to your powers. +1 + 1.